Hello IG Garage family, is your scanner showing the p2137 code? This code means there is a mismatch between the voltage signals from the accelerator pedal position sensors. If you ignore this issue, your vehicle may experience poor throttle response, reduced engine power, or enter limp mode. P2137 stands for throttle, pedal position sensor, switch B voltage correlation. In simple terms, the ECU has detected that the signals from accelerator pedal position sensor A and sensor B do not agree with each other. The accelerator pedal position sensors work together to tell the ECU how far the accelerator pedal is being pressed. When the sensor readings do not match, the ECU limits engine power to prevent unsafe operation. Common symptoms include check engine light on, reduced engine power, poor acceleration, hesitation during driving, delayed throttle response, and sometimes limp mode activation. In many cases, the vehicle may also display a reduced engine power warning on the dashboard. Now the most important part: component and sensor locations. The accelerator pedal position sensor assembly is mounted near the accelerator pedal inside the cabin. Most modern vehicles have multiple sensors built into the pedal assembly to provide accurate pedal position information. The throttle body is located on the intake manifold and works together with the pedal sensors to control engine power. The wiring harness connects these components to the ECU and is exposed to vibration, moisture, and wear over time. For quick diagnosis, start by checking live accelerator pedal position sensor data using an obd2 scanner. Then compare the readings from sensor A and sensor B to verify that they change smoothly and remain within specifications. Inspect the pedal sensor connector for loose wiring, corrosion, or damaged pins. Check the wiring harness for open circuits, short circuits, or poor ground connections. Also inspect the pedal assembly for signs of wear or internal sensor failure. If the sensor readings remain inconsistent, the accelerator pedal assembly may need replacement. Finally, repair any wiring issues, replace faulty sensors or the pedal assembly if necessary, clear the code, and complete a proper road test. Fixing P2137 on time will restore proper throttle response, smooth acceleration, and reliable engine performance.